Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to solve some word problems based on the percentage concept. So our first question will be, the value of a car depreciates or decreases by 10% every year. If the value of the new car is rupees 2,25,000, what will be its value after 1 year? So this is our first question to solve this. So first we write a rate of depreciation. That means at which rate the price is decreasing. So it is given in the question that it is 10%. So now we write that value of the new car that it is given. So it is given 2,25,000. So now we write decrease in price. That means how much price is decreasing every year. So therefore write decrease in price. So the decrease in price, so it will be 10% of 2,25,000. So if we solve it, we will get the decrease in price. So 10% we can write as 10 by 100. Of means multiply. So now 2,25,000. So first we cut the zeros. So remains rupees 2,200, 500. So 22,500. So this much value is decreasing from the car every year. So now you have to find out the price after 1 year. So therefore we write that price after 1 year equals to, so it is given in the question that the price of the car is decreasing 10% every year. So you find out that 10% is 22,500. So that means price after 1 year, that will be the original price, that is 2,25,000 minus 22,500. So it becomes 2,25,000 minus 20,500. So which will be equals to rupees 2,02,500. So this will be our final answer for this question. So our answer is 2,02,500. So let's move to our next question. So our next question is, Ashish is 175 centimeter tall. His sister Annu is 8% shorter than him. What is Annu's height? So this question is also similar to the previous question. Yes, so in this question we have to only find out the height. So first we write height of Ashish. So it is given, it is 175 centimeter. So now we write percentage of Anu's height. Height shorter than Ashish. So that means at how much percentage here she is shorter than his brother. So it is given 8%. So therefore you write now that height of Annu shorter than Ashish. So in this segment we have to write how much he is shorter than him. So it will be 8% of 175 centimeter. So 8% you can write as 8 by 100. Of means multiply 175. So first we cut 100 and 175. So we cut it by 25. So it will become 4 and it will become 7. So now we cut 4 and 8 we cut. So it becomes 2. So it becomes 2 into 7, which is equals to 14 centimeter. So therefore Annu is 14 centimeter shorter than Ashish. So therefore we write now the height of Annu So now if Ashish's height is 175 centimeter and this much height he is taller than his sister, so that means you have to subtract this from his height. So it will become 175 minus 14, which is equals to 161 centimeter. So this will be the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. So our next question is, an alloy consists of copper and zinc. It contains 60% copper and the rest is zinc. Find the quantity of copper and zinc in 425 gram of this alloy. So this is our question. So I solve this. So first we had percentage of copper. So the percentage of copper equals to, it is given 60%. So now I will find out the percentage of zinc. So therefore we write the percentage of zinc. So now we know that percentage is a unit of 100. So therefore if copper is 60, so therefore zinc will be 100 minus 60, which is equals to 40%. So therefore the alloy consists of 60% copper and 40% zinc. So now I write weight of the alloy. The weight of the alloy, it is given in the question. So it becomes 425 gram. So now therefore I write quantity of copper. So first you find the quantity of copper. So it will be 60%, which is the percentage of copper of the weight of the alloy, that is 425. So if we multiply this, we will get the quantity of copper. So it becomes 60 by 100 into 425. So first we cut the zeros. So now I cut 10 and 425 by 5, it becomes 2 and it becomes 85. So first we cut by 5 and now we cut by 2, 6 and 2, so it becomes 3. So remains 3 into 85, which will be equal to 255 gram. So therefore this is the quantity of the copper. So now I find the quantity of zinc. So to find the quantity of zinc, we can do it by two methods. So first, similarly we will add 40% of 425, we will get it, or we can subtract this value from the total, that is 425, we will get the quantity of zinc. So you do in this process only. So we write quantity of zinc now. So quantity of zinc we can write as 40% of 425. So we should be equals to, for 40 means 40 by 100 into 425. So first we cut the 0. Now similarly we cut 10 and 425 by 5. It becomes 2 and it becomes 85. So now I cut 2 and 4. It becomes 2. So it becomes 2 into 85, which is equals to 170 gram. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. So now our next question is, a tin contained 25 liters of oil. Due to leakage, 25 liters of oil was lost. What percentage of oil is still there in the tin? So this is our question. So let's solve this. The first we write the total capacity of the tin. That total capacity of the tin. So this means that how much oil is contained in the tin before the leakage. So that it is given the question that 25 liter. So now we write that amount of oil lost due to leakage. So this means that the amount of oil that flown away due to the leakage, so that it is 22 liter. So now therefore we find a remaining oil. That means how much oil is remained after the leakage. So it, right, remaining oil. So remaining oil will become the total capacity of it, that is 25, minus the amount of oil that was lost, that is 2. So it becomes 23 liter. So that means 23 liter of oil was remained in the tin. So now right, that what I have to find out, it is given. So that percentage of oil remaining. So this you have to find out. So it becomes, so first you write 23, that is the remaining oil, by the total, that is 25. So as you have to find the percentage, we write into 100. So first we got 25 and 100. We cut it by 25 directly. It becomes 4 by 1. So now it becomes 23 into 4, which is equal to 92%. So this will be the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. So our next question is, an election was contested by two candidates A and B. So here in this question, A and B are the name of the candidates. In all there were 25,000 voters. 80% of the votes were polled. If A got 60% of the total votes polled, how many votes did B get? So in the question it is given that 80% of the votes were polled. That means 20% of the people of 25,000 said so they did not vote. So their votes cannot be counted. So first you have to cut out 20% from this 25,000. So we write the total number of voters equals to 25,000 as given. So out of this 20% people did not vote. So now we write percentage of people no, we write percentage of votes polled. That means how many people have voted out of 25,000. That is 80%. So now therefore number of votes polled equals to, that means the number of votes that were polled out of 80% and 20% is cut off. So it becomes 80% of 25,000. So if we found it, we will solve this. We will get the amount of votes that were polled. So that 80 by 100 into 25,000. So first we cut the zeros. So it becomes 8 into 2500, which is equal to 20,000. So therefore 20,000 votes were polled. So now I have to find out that how much votes B get. So for that we have to write A first. So that we write A got votes equals to, so that is in percentage, that is 60%. A got 60% votes. So now therefore we write that B got votes equals to, so this is also in percentage. So therefore B got 40% vote. We have to subtract 60 from 100, which becomes 40%. So therefore we got 40% votes. So we have to find out now that how much votes B get. So therefore write the number of votes B got equals to, so it will 40% of 20,000. You cannot write 25,000 here because 20% people did not vote. So out of 20,000 only you have to find out how much votes B get. So it becomes 40 by 100 into 20,000. So first you cut the zeros. So it remains 4 into 2000, which is equal to 8,000. So therefore B got 8,000 votes. So this will be the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our last and next question. So now our next question is, Mr. Mehta had rupees 60,000. Out of this money he gave 20% to his daughter, 35% to his son, and 30% to his wife, and the rest he donated to a charitable trust. How much did he donate it? So this is our question, and I solved this. So first the total sum of money, total sum of money that Mr. Mehta had. So that will be equal to 60,000. So now write that percentage of money gave to daughter. So it is given 20% money he gave to his daughter. So now we write that now percentage of money gave to his son. So that is 35%. So now finally the percentage of money gave to wife. So that is equal to 30%. So now you will have to add all these three numbers. So therefore now the total percentage equals to so 20 plus 35 plus 30, which becomes 85%. So that means 85% of money he divided among his daughter, his son and his wife. So now therefore we find out the percentage of money donated equals to, so that means this will be the 100 minus 85, so it becomes 100 minus 85, which is equals to 15%. So therefore 15% of money he donated. So now I have to find the value of this 15%. So therefore money he donated equals to, so it will be 15% of 60,000. The total sum of money you have to write here, so which is equals to 15 by 100 into 60,000. So if first you cut the zeros, so it becomes 15 into 600, which is equals to rupees 9,000. So this will be the final answer for this question. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more solution, and you can check the sums of the previous questions in the description.